Has your own child ever told you something so mean it broke your heart? I have an 8-year-old daughter named Sophie. She's bright, funny, and brutally honest, sometimes too honest. A few months ago, my husband and I divorced. It wasn't messy, but it was sad. We decided to co-parent 50-50, and I did everything I could to make Sophie feel secure: new bedtime routines, movie nights, even pancakes shaped like hearts on school mornings. One weekend, she came home from her dad's house quieter than usual. When I asked what was wrong, she said, "Nothing, Mommy," and went to her room. Later that night, while brushing her hair, I told her she could tell me anything, no matter what. She looked at me in the mirror and said, very calmly, "Daddy's girlfriend is better at being a mom than you." It felt like someone had kicked me in the chest. I froze, brush midair. She kept going. "She lets me eat ice cream before dinner, and she says I can call her Mama Jessis if I want. She said, 'You're just my practice mom.'" I didn't even realize I was crying until Sophie turned around and frowned. "Are you mad at me?" she asked. I shook my head and hugged her so tightly she squirmed. After she fell asleep, I sat in the hallway and sobbed quietly. I knew she didn't mean to hurt me. She's a kid, parroting what she hears, but those words replayed in my head for days. Practice mom, like I was a trial run. A week later, I gently told my ex that Mama Jess wasn't okay. To his credit, he handled it immediately. Sophie apologized in her small, shaky voice and said, "I didn't mean it, Mommy. You're my real mom forever." I smiled and told her it was okay. But that night, when I was alone, I still cried, because even when they don't mean to, your kids can break your heart in ways no one else ever could.